Alright, so this is what I'm doing to get power into the trailer. I'm using this NOCO GCP1. It allows me to plug in when I'm at the house and I'm not hooked up to the truck, but I can still charge my batteries and stuff. So I'm going to put that up here. I've already got my spot marked, so I'm going to get drilling. Now I just gotta get it installed. I'm gonna use some silicone, so I'm gonna put my glove on. Oh, I knew I'd do that backwards. Test fit. Looks like I'm gonna have to do a little cut on the inside as well, because the way this is angled doesn't go straight in. Let's go in there. So it's got this little angled cord part that comes in, and I'm hitting up top here, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of cut right there, just shim it off. I'll probably use my multi-tool so I can actually get this in and then seal it from the outside so we don't have water on this wood. Handy dandy Milwaukee multi-tool, here we go. Let's give that a shot. Didn't work. Let me put this in and see where I'm hitting. Actually, I think we got it. Let's go back to the other side and see. Okay, so that worked. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it back out, do some silicone, and then we'll put the screws in it and we should be good to go. Got some black silicone so it matches the trailer. It's not white and standing out. back in place. Got the silicone in. Let's get the screws in it. Smear the silicone. Got a good seal. White. Sweet. Well, I saw this on YouTube, just trying to get ideas to set up the trailer, and had to get it because I'm like, man, I've got to plug it in to be able to charge my batteries. So pretty excited about it. I'm going to keep working on the wiring on the inside, and see you guys next time.